So how to make Miss Chicksy's veggie and ham omelette. Come on, let's do this together. Start off by frying your onions. I chopped up onions and then shredded some carrots and sweet pepper, and then just diced up my ham and set it up ready to go. So in a pan that can actually fit or is durable enough for your grill, put in some onions, season it with some curry, thyme, a little bit of salt. Season it up and fry it till it sautés. Add table salt and just there. Fry. And fry. Then you add your shredded carrots and sweet pepper. And this ones take a little bit of time to like saute. Well, when I say saute, I mean like for it to get soft and limp. And it's all soft and limp. Season this as well. Add your thyme. You keep frying it till it's proper limp. And then add your ham onto the mixture. And then keep on stirring. Don't leave it to burn. And keep stirring it all together. And at this point, I've already beaten my eggs in a bowl. We'll leave this to fry up for a little while. You need it really tender, really limp. Add some salt to the egg so it's not tasteless. Like I don't like bland food. Add some curry to it, and add thyme. The another thing I like seasoning my eggs with are chives. Add some chives to it, and then mix up. Beat the whole thing together and mix it up. We go back again and keep our eyes on our mixture that is frying up on the burner. Keep stirring it, and come back, stir up the egg. After stirring it, and then we're going to pour it in the mixture. We pour it in the mixture, make sure it's all together. So we're going to stir the whole mixture together. Stir everything together, get everything incorporated and mixed up together. And then at this point, I'll let it cook for a little bit. And then after that, I add my cheese. Cheese makes everything taste better. Add my grated cheese. You can add any type of cheese you want, mozzarella. This is a medium cheddar. And grate it onto it, then I cover it because then it needs to steam for everything to kind of like merge together and turn down the burner so it doesn't burn. And then after everything has kind of melted together, I come in with my spatula, get all the ends up so it's not burning, and then going with the knife as well, kind of give it slices like pizza slices. There's a reason for this. So you kind of like put the slices, put your slice line in there, and then put it in the grill. My grill is all fired up, ready to go. I put my frying pan in there and then give it less than 5 minutes. When you bring it out, look at this yumminess. Just look at this yumminess. And then you redefine the lines again, so it's easy to just serve from that point on. And it's time to serve. My children are sat there salivating, waiting for this food. So with our breakfast, most of the time I try and make sure they have yogurt and a piece of fruit or some fruit in their breakfast. It helps, a bit of a 5 a day. Let's serve it up and let's listen to the reviews, people. Here we go. Get a review on the omelette.
10 out of 10.
Good now? Louis? 59. Oh, do you love it? Do you like it?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's eat so we can get ready.